Configuring Linux kernel parameters and installing mandatory libraries. So far, we have updated the software libraries by using the yum update command, and we have also downloaded the mandatory libraries that did not get automatically updated using yum update command. So now it's time to install those libraries and then proceed ahead and configure the kernel parameters. So I will minimize this and I will go to our MD120 installation document, and here you can see that these are the libraries which we have downloaded, which includes OpenMotive, Xorg libraries, and make sure you download this one as well, because a lot of time you will see in a lot of documents only these two libraries are present, but for 12.2 installation you also require i386.rpm library. So once you have downloaded them, simply go to the command prompt and issue this command rpm -uvh star.rpm, and it will automatically install these downloaded rpm. Then the next thing you've got to do is you have got to configure a couple of kernel parameters. The most important thing is limits.conf. Basically, using this limits.conf file, you can restrict a limit as to how many files or how many maximum files a particular user can open at any point of time. Plus, you can also override the default values which comes with the default installation of Oracle Linux. So simply go ahead and update these values in limits.conf file, just as I have indicated over here. The next thing you've got to do is simply update the etc sysctl.conf file to this particular kernel entry. Do exactly as the one I have indicated over here. The exact details of what each of these values are and how their role is in Oracle installation is outside the scope of this course, and this would be covered in detail in our Linux administration course. But as of now, you can simply go ahead and set these kernel parameters in etc sysctl.conf, and once you're done with that, then we are all set in terms of the kernel parameters. We don't have to do anything else. And then as a next step, what we will do is we've got to set up a couple of users, which includes a Aura-Wiz user and Apple-Wiz user in the Unix, because we are going with the standard installation. And then we have got to also create Aura inventory file and the directory under which the Aura inventory will reside. So all that will come subsequently. Now let's go into the server and set up these parameters.